Welcome to Digital Udupi. Welcome to Digital India.
Welcome to Right Power of India episode 6. We have been presenting exciting and powerful stories from different parts of India in our Right Power of India series. This series would be incomplete if we don't touch upon success stories of startups in India, where hundreds of young entrepreneurs and new startups with innovative digital initiatives thriving their best to take India's growth story forward. So this is our first episode in the Digital India segment, and we started from Udupi. Udupi, the land of Kadagolu Krishna, a beautiful place known for its rich cultural heritage, delicious cuisine, quality of education and amazing people. City is slowly and steadily gearing up for a digital transformation in its public transport system, and Team Chalo is literally taking this transformation ahead with its future-ready Chalo bus card. Chalo is an innovative real-time bus tracking and contactless hassle-free ticketing platform initiated by Mohit Dubey, Priya Singh Dubey, Dhruv Chopra and Vinayak Bhavnani in 2014, aimed at improving city bus services and making them more reliable, easier and more convenient to use. For a consumer, Chalo provides three key technology-driven services. Chalo app. It is an app through which a customer can track any bus live and see its live arrival time. This means no more waiting at a bus stop. You can plan to arrive at the bus stop just 1 or 2 minutes before your bus. Chalo card, a NFC touch to pay card which can store a wallet and multi-trip ticket just similar to a monthly pass. This means no more hassles of carrying change, and in the times of COVID-19, contactless payment increase safety by 20 times or over. Mobile passes or tickets. These tickets available through the Chalo app, users can buy their bus passes or tickets on the Chalo app and simply scan their QR code to travel. This means no more visits to the pass center again. This app is easy to use for almost everyone, available to install from Play Store. One more interesting thing is this app can be used in any city in India where we have Chalo bus network in place. Having said that, Chalo already operating in 23 Indian cities so far. So far, Chalo has received positive responses from everywhere it is in use. Many of the users find the app really useful as it helps in reducing their waiting time for buses and also gives them the option of buying mobile tickets and passes on the app. It is no different in Udupi and neighboring Mangalore, and people have started welcoming it. So how does the system actually work? Chalo partners with the bus operators and deploy live tracking, payment systems and operation services for bus operators. And by doing this, it ensures an increase in ridership and charges operators a share of the increased ridership, thus making it a win-win situation for all. Chalo app platform offers a GPS-based live bus tracking and live arrival times, multimodal trip planner with the route options and fares, information about service updates and disruptions in real time, a 24/7 ticketing counter in every passenger's hand. This makes trips much more informative for a passenger, best suited for a developing city where everyone keen on having data in their hand and manage their time more conveniently. On the other hand, a Chalo card is a secure tap-to-pay smart card that can be used for payment across all modes of public transport. This card enables contactless transactions with less than 1 second transaction time. These cards can be provided by the conductors during the travel, as the card issuance process is very simple and easy. With all the standard security encryptions, it eliminates the risk of fraud and ensures the operator's revenue, and also with the excellent service and discounts to users, it increases passengers' loyalty and affinity towards public transport. Services this Chalo platform provides are linked to the idea and vision of Digital India. It aims at making bus transportation in India completely cashless through their digital ticketing options, and as a matter of fact, They have recently started off with 100% cashless bus services in Bhopal, the first ever initiative in India. Awarded as among India's top 50 startups by NASSCOM in 2017, with its creative vision and wonderful execution despite many challenges, Chalo is not only making life simple for bus travelers, but the startup is also helping the bus operators to increase their number of riders, thus making better profits for everyone. With a dream to have efficient and highly reliable public transportation which people prefer to use over their private vehicles, and eventually making our Indian cities also more livable, with everyone having healthier and better lives with reduced traffic and congestion, Chalo is taking every step to make this dream into reality and setting an example to all future enthusiasts who are trying to make their own mark in this era of digital transformation of our nation. This dream and efforts of Team Chalo make them our right power of India. That's it for today. If you like our efforts, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. We will come up with one more exciting story soon in our Right Power of India series. Until then, grab your seat, enjoy this ride with us.
Right, boy!